In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add order tracking option in Bigcommerce website. We'll set up a simple, reliable way for shoppers to check their delivery status on their own without you answering the same support questions over and over. The tool we'll use is Aftership's ready-made order lookup, also called the Track Order widget, designed specifically for Bigcommerce. First, install Aftership from your Bigcommerce admin. Go to the Apps or Integration panel, find Aftership, and click to install. During installation, you'll be prompted to authorize the connection. Approve the permissions so Aftership can securely read your orders and sync tracking data. This connection is what allows the widget to pull shipment updates without any manual work from you. Next, configure your carriers and shipping sync inside Aftership. Turn on the carriers you actually use, like the major postal and courier services relevant to your region, so Aftership knows where to fetch tracking updates. Make sure shipping sync is enabled, so tracking numbers from Bigcommerce, whether added directly in the order or pushed in from your fulfillment flow, are captured automatically. If you don't see updates, double-check that the correct carriers are enabled and that the tracking numbers are valid. With Aftership installed, create a dedicated Track Your Order page in your Bigcommerce store. Add a new web page, give it a clear title like Track Your Order, and paste in the tracking widget code provided by Aftership. This snippet is generated for you, so there's no custom coding required. Save and publish the page. For better visibility, add a link to this page in your main navigation or footer so customers can find it easily. From here on, the process is straightforward. Once an order is shipped and a tracking number is entered in Bigcommerce or passed through your fulfillment process, the tracking widget will let customers look up their status using their order number and email, or simply a tracking number. The widget then displays real-time updates pulled from the carrier, so customers don't need to contact support to ask where their package is. Before you go live, test the page with a recent order to make sure the lookup works as expected. Keep the page name consistent across your site, and remind your team to always attach tracking numbers to shipped orders. That way, every customer gets a smooth, self-serve tracking experience, and your support workload goes down. That's it. Your Bigcommerce store now has a professional, fully functional order tracking option using Aftership.